identify a break, which in this case we didn't actually have a break. The machine actually pulled it out of the ground, broke the conduit, but didn't break the fiber. But what it did was it pulled the feed to the pedestal on that side, which is about 110 feet. So it pulled the fiber up and it broke everything in the pedestal. So what we needed to do was figure out if it was broke from here to the main feed on St. Regis Road. So a way to do that is you take a VFL, which is just a piece of equipment that shoots light through fiber. So what I did was I went back to the CO where our main hub is and found a fiber for sanitation and put the VFL on that feed from our CO, which is about 2-3 miles away. So once it shot the light and it came up through here to this point, we knew that our break wasn't here to the road, it was from here to the pedestal. So this is where we got our first indication what we needed to do for the repair. So we needed to just pull a new fiber from this point to the pedestal. Went back to the shop, grabbed a 150-foot piece of two buffer fiber, and in essence it's really just a big jumper to splice all 24 fibers here and at the pedestal to get everything back up and going.